Good morning. How are you doing today? Hope you are doing well. My name is Victor Kwejer, your business success coach and consultant. Once again, I come here with a business building blocks episode 5 for 2023. Now, here's what I've got for you today. The world is full of abundance and opportunity, but far too many people come to the fountain of life with a sieve instead of a tank, car, a teaspoon instead of a shovel, and they expect little. As a result, they get little. This is by Ben Sweatland. Now, there are enough stories out there to inspire us today to aim for whatever we want, irrespective of where we are or what background we came from. It is estimated that just about 20% or less of the wealthiest people got their wealth by inheritance. Now, this means that 80% of the wealthiest people started from scratch, possibly in a worse position than where you are now. In truth, the world is full of abundance, and it takes one with enough self-belief, high expectations, and determination to go after what it is that they want and turn it into ventures that adds value to society, and in the process, create the wealth that they desire to have. Now, if you're hungry enough, have high expectations, and determined enough to put in the hard work, you can get yours. Just don't pass through the earth and even start another year with low expectations or even no expectations at all. At least dream big, write down the dreams. It is free to do so. It will inspire you. Try it and start from today if you haven't already done it. But before I go, please, if you need help to start your business or to grow existing business, just like many others that we've helped, I'll be glad to help you. Reach out and let's get the conversation going. And also, I'm excited to announce that we've got the Business Building Block podcast coming your way soon. I want to challenge you to get ready. It's going to be very informative, very inspiring, and very motivational. It is going to change your life and help you. Finally, if you would like to be an author, one of your goals this year is to become an author, this book writing workshop is meant for you. After having written 13 books and published 8 so far, and ghostwritten a number of books, as well as help and coach so many other authors to write their books and publish them, I am more than excited to share with you my 10 easy steps to help you to write your book in 10 days. Sign up. Check the comment section for the link to click and to sign up and be part of this. Finally, do not hesitate to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share this post and let us know your thoughts in the comment section. God richly bless you. Look forward to coming your way.